Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss Biochemistry-II, most important and most repeated MCQs. Beta oxidation takes place in option A nucleus, B cytoplasm, C mitochondria. Correct option is C mitochondria. In starvation, after fats and glycogen, the next nutrient to be consumed is option A starch, B proteins, C cellulose. Correct option is B proteins. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Ali Technologist. The ratio of the body mass to the body height is option A mass index, B body mass index, C height index, option D weight index. Correct option is B body mass index. People experiencing muscle wasting are, in case of option A malnutrition, B starvation, C overeating, option D overnutrition. Correct option is A malnutrition. The electron transport chain 1 NADH produces how many ATP? Option A 3, B 1, C 2. Correct option is A 3. 14 carbon containing fatty acid undergoes how many cycles during beta oxidation? Option A 5 cycles, B 7 cycles, C 6 cycles, option D 8 cycles. Correct option is C 6 cycles. Electron transport chain takes place in option A nucleus, B mitochondria, C Golgi apparatus, D cytoplasm. Correct option is B mitochondria. The most important source of reducing equivalent for fatty acid synthesis is produced during option A TCA cycle, B beta oxidation, C glycolysis, option D HMP shunt pathway. Correct option is D HMP shunt pathway. Beta oxidation takes place in option A nucleus, B cytoplasm, C ribosome, option D mitochondria. Correct option is D mitochondria. Which of the following enzymes does not take part in the TCA cycle? Option A citrate synthesis, option B isocitrate dehydrogenase, C malate dehydrogenase, and option D pyruvate dehydrogenase. Correct option is D pyruvate dehydrogenase. How many ATPs are produced during citric acid cycle? Option A 12, B 10, C 13, option D 8. Correct option is D 8. CO2 is not produced in the reaction catalyzed by the enzyme. Option A pyruvate dehydrogenase, B isocitrate dehydrogenase, option C alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, option D succinate dehydrogenase. Correct option is D succinate dehydrogenase. Which of the following statements regarding the HMP shunt pathway is not true? Option A NADPH is produced, option B CO2 is not produced in this pathway, option C NADH is not produced. Correct option is D. NADH not produced. NADPH serves to regenerate. Which of the following is red cells to prevent their lysis? Option A, cholesterol. B, NADP. C, glutathione. Option D, cysteine. Correct option is C, glutathione. In starvation, after fats and glycogen, the next nutrient to be consumed is option A, starch. B, proteins. C, cellulose. D, adenosine triphosphate. Correct option is B, proteins. The dish utilize fructose but not glucose. Option A, ovum. B, spermatozoa. C, adipose tissue. D, mammary gland. Correct option is B, spermatozoa. Which of the following is true regarding the HMP shunt pathway? Option A, generates NADH. B, oxidize NADPH2 to NADP. C, this pathway is active in the fasting condition. Option D, dy6kj enzyme is the rate limiting enzyme. Correct option is D, dy6kj enzyme is the rate limiting enzyme. What is the main aim of the citric acid cycle? Option A, provide keto acids for the synthesis of amino acid. B, help in the production of NADPH2. C, to produce energy from carbohydrates. Correct option is C, to produce energy from carbohydrates. Which of the following is a specific transporter for fructose? Option A, glucose transporter 1. B, glucose transporter 2. C, glucose transporter 3. Option D, glucose transporter 5. Correct option is D, glucose transporter 5. Xylulose 5-phosphate can be formed from ribulose 5-phosphate by the action of option A, epimerase. B, transketolase. C, G6PD. Correct option is A, epimerase. Which of the following is false regarding the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase? Option A, it is a multi-enzyme complex. B, the pyruvate dehydrogenase complex is a mitochondrial enzyme. Option C, it catalyzes the reversible reaction. Correct option is C, it catalyzes the reversible reaction. Which enzyme catalyzes substrate level phosphorylation, that is conversion of GDP to GTP? Option A, malate dehydrogenase. B, fumarase. C, isocitrate dehydrogenase. Option D, succinyl CoA thiokinase. Correct option is D, succinyl CoA thiokinase. How much ATP are produced from palmitic acid during beta oxidation? Option A, 131. B, 128. C, 144. And option D, 133. Correct option is C, 144. Which of the following statements is wrong regarding beta oxidation? Option A, mitochondrial pathway. B, NADH is produced. C, beta oxidation will occur for an odd number of fatty acids. Correct option is C, Beta oxidation will occur for an odd number of fatty acids. Urea synthesis mainly takes place in option A liver, B muscle, C kidney, and option D GIT. Correct option is A liver. The major mechanism for the removal of ammonia in the liver is through the formation of option A uric acid, B urea, C fatty acid, D glutamine. Correct option is B urea. Uric acid is formed from xanthine by the action of option A xanthine reductase, B urease, C xanthine oxidase. Correct option is C xanthine oxidase. Glycolysis takes place in option A mitochondria, B ribosome, C nucleus, option D cytoplasm. Correct option is D cytoplasm. How many ATP are produced during aerobic glycolysis? Option A 2, B 4, option C 8. Correct option is C 8. The end product of anaerobic glycolysis is option A pyruvate, B acyl CoA, C lactate. Correct option is C lactate. A person has been on a hunger strike for 2 days. Which of the following statements will not apply to him? Option A increased release of fatty acid from adipose tissue. Option B increase the level of insulin. C glucogenic amino acid will come into action. Option D liver glycogen will decrease. Correct option is B increase the level of insulin. Which of the following is not a characteristic of the hexokinase enzyme? Option A have high affinity for glucose, B specific for glucose, C is a well regulated enzyme, D work well when the glucose level is low. Correct option is C is a well regulated enzyme. A person gains weight when their energy is option A energy in more than energy out, B energy in equal to energy out, C energy intake is 0. Correct option is A energy in more than energy out. Thank you for watching my videos.